In 2013, a psychologist in the University of Pennsylvania did a very unique research. Across numerous contexts, one characteristic emerged as a significant predictor of success: grit. Grit is the quality that allows an individual to work hard and maintain focus, not just for weeks or months, but for years. I'm going to be very real with you. Just like you look at your past mistakes, your future self is watching you right now, and it is begging you to stop wasting your time. Stop procrastinating. Every time you make an excuse, every time you leave the work for tomorrow, you get set back. Depending on your actions, 1 year from now, you could be a successful person who has achieved all their goals and dreams. Or you could be as you are now, depressed and unmotivated. And trust me, I have also been in your position, blaming my life, my parents, my luck. I spent years waiting for the right time, but then I learned the most important lesson of my life. The right time is now. You shouldn't wait for the motivation to come to you. You need to get up and do it anyway. Do it tired, do it depressed, do it unmotivated, but you need to do it now.